How to sell your crypto on Binance. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Binance. Enter your login credential, as in your user ID and the password, and sign into your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. Once you are in here, head over to Wallet section at the bottom right corner. It will show you the overview of the cryptos that you have. You can see the spot wallet, funding wallet, or earn wallet too. Now go back to your home page. In the search bar, search for the crypto that you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell Gala. All you want to do is click on it. It will redirect you to this page. In this page, you have to select USDT if not selected. Well, if it is not selected, then you have to click on the drop arrow button at the top and then choose USDT. Once you have chosen, it will land you on this page. Now you have to select the amount of Gala that you want to sell. You can also use this pointer scale. Once the amount has been selected, click on Sell Gala and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can sell cryptos on Binance. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.